Welcome back. The battle in Santa Cruz is all set to be an interesting one. Rudolph Fernandez has declared an open challenge to Babush to contest in Santa Cruz. He says he is ready to take on him if Babush decides to contest. Other reports also suggest that Tharkar may this time round contest from Santa Cruz as an independent or on a BJP MGP ticket. In an interview to Prudent, Babush says that he is confident of getting the Congress ticket from Santa Cruz.
आमच्याकडे बाबूश मनसर आहात सध्या आमी तेंचे कडल्यान रिसेंट पॉलिटिकल डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर विचारून घेवया. बाबूश सांताक्रूजची टिकेटीची कितें?
I told you as I applied, I'm confident I should get the Santa Cruz ticket.
Jennifer from Taligaon?
No, that we will see. Ultimately, we have both applied from Taligaon as well as Santa Cruz and Taligaon. So both of us. So it depends with on the High Command whom they allot which ticket.
On the other hand, Rudolph Fernandez has challenged Babush to contest from Santa Cruz.
हे पार्ट तुम्ही जाणा पेपर आयला की बीजेपीक चान्स पडटलो. गेले पार्टी तशेंच जाल्ले आहा. गेले पार्टूच हेच कॅन्डिडेट बसोन तुम्ही जाणा की बीजेपीक किल्ले पडले आनी आमी किल्ली लीड मारली पळय ती. आनी हे पार्ट कितें जालां? हे पार्ट आमी 5 वर्सां जाली आतां जेन्ना पळय इलेक्शन जिखले 5 वर्सां फाटीं त्या दिसा सावन आमी खरें म्हणल्यार बाबुशाकूच रावता हिंगासर आनी आमकां जावं तोच भरलो हिंगासर. आमी तेकाच रावता कित्याक आमी प्रिपेर्ड जाल्ले आहा. इतली कामां आमी केल्या लोकांची आनी कामां केल्या कितें केलां आनी ना केलां तें आमचे लोक डिसायड करतले.
There are also reports that businessman Tharkar could also throw his hat in the ring and contest from Santa Cruz as an independent or on a BJP MGP ticket. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl and Omkar Falari. The race for the Congress ticket from Panji seems to have taken a surprising turn. On one hand, CCP corporator Surendra Furtado says he is confident of getting the ticket. But on the other hand, a dark horse in the form of CCP Mayor Yatin Parekh has titled the scales. Yatin had air dashed to Delhi on Tuesday in this regard. Political grapevine says that the party has confirmed the ticket to Yatin from Panji. Meanwhile, Babu says he will support Yatin if he is given the ticket. There seems to be a war brewing between Surendra Furtado and Yatin Parekh. On one hand, Surendra says he is confident of the Panji ticket.
I have no reaction. I have put my claim 2 months back and I am number 1 on the list till today. Now whether Yatin Parekh has gone to Delhi and claim, ask Yatin Parekh. I know that I will get the ticket of Congress, I will win this seat and I will defeat Manohar Parrikar.
Meanwhile, Babush has stated that he will support Yatin's candidature for Panji.
पणजेच्या टिकेटीचे कितें? पणजे यतीन पारेख दवरला अशें आयकता. What's the news?
See, as earlier I had said that Somnath Zwarkar was basically my candidate. Now it is for the Congress High Command to decide. Even if it is Yatin Parekh, my full support will be there. So he's my mayor, so I have got no issue over that. But it is ultimately the High Command will take a call on that.
For Panji ticket, you have suggested Yatin Parekh's name.
So I have not suggested. I had only said that if Mr. Zwarkar is a Congress candidate, I will support him. Now there are some rumors, and widely those rumors may come through. So Yatin Parekh may be the Congress candidate.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl and Omkar Falari. Shiv Sena has announced its alliance with the Republican Party of India for the forthcoming assembly election. They inaugurated their new office in Bicholi on Tuesday.
उतरणार आहे आणि शिवसेनेनं युतीच्या म्हणून 25 जागा आम्ही लढवणार आहोत. तुम्ही म्हणाल युती कोणाबरोबर करता आहात? तर महाराष्ट्रात भीमसेना आणि शिवसेना एकत्र आलेली आहे. त्याच पद्धतीने गोमंतकात सुद्धा भीमसेना आणि शिवसेना एकत्र येऊन आम्ही युतीची निवडणूक लढवणार आहोत. भीमसेनेचं अस्तित्व जरी कमी असलं तरी आमचा तो महाराष्ट्रात मित्र पक्ष आहे आणि काही भागात त्यांची आहे ताकद. आता ही ताकद आम्हाला निवडणुकीत नंतरच कळणार आहे. परंतु निवडणूक शिवसेना 15 सीट लढवणार आहे आणि युती भीमसेना म्हणजे रिपब्लिकन पार्टी RPI 10 सीट लढवणार.
Shiv Sena inaugurated its North Goa office in Bicholi on Tuesday. Bicholi Taluka Pramukh Gurudas Naik, President of Kamgar Sangatna Sandeep Vengurlekar and others were present for the inauguration. Ramesh Naik says that issue of Marathi language is their concern and they will take up the issue seriously.
मराठीचा मुद्दा हा आमचा जिव्हाळ्याचा आहे आणि मराठी ही आमची अस्मिता आहे. ह्या भावनेनं मराठीचा मुद्दा हा प्रमुख मुद्दा आमचा असणार. आजपर्यंत गोमंतकातल्या प्रत्येक राजकीय पक्षानं मराठीबाबत फसवणूक केलेली आहे.
A reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Children's Rights in Goa is planning for a child protection policy in schools. CRG organized two-day workshop on safeguarding mental health of children and adolescents. Chairperson of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Samira Kazi, inaugurated the workshop. Principal of College of Home Science, Rajal Shinkre, was the guest of honor. Director of Higher Education, Bhaskar Naik, resource person Dr. Harish Shetty and others were present.
Air hostess, she got very angry and she left. She must be saying that 12 में बैठा है ना बहुत होशियारी मारता है. उधर बैठ के she must say 12 में बैठा है ना बहुत होशियारी मारता है. Then as I went out, she said, you know why I'm not smiling? I cannot get marriers. But I was telling her, if you smile, system will improve, arrears will come. If you don't smile, fellow wants to even give the other will not give. That is the point. So arrears and health have got no connection.
Dr. Nishita Desai of CRG announced their plan of formulating a child protection policy for children.
Children's Rights in Goa has especially had is that of coming out with a child protection policy for schools. Because we feel that schools have to be a safe place. Next to the home, the school is the place where the child spends so much of time, and it is important that schools are safe. So we have put a draft child protection policy in your kids, and we would like you to go back from this workshop and discuss this with teachers in your school and give inputs. And we would like to come out with a child protection policy. We would like every school to have its own child protection policy, which assures the safety of the child in terms of giving the child space to talk about his or her problems, as well as ensuring that there are guidelines in place for teachers and non-teaching staff about what can be done and what should not be done.
A video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media. News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.